What do medical lawyers do? Medical lawyers are attorneys who go to law school and later specialize in medical law. But what do medical lawyers do? Well, for starters, they understand medical law better than other attorneys. Things like the standard of care doctors must uphold terminology and procedures in the field, health law and regulations. It's their job. And most importantly, medical lawyers use their health law background to identify and prove negligence, negotiate a good settlement, win medical malpractice cases. That's what good medical lawyers do. They help people get compensated in medical malpractice cases. Note, medical lawyers are commonly called medical malpractice lawyers or medical malpractice attorneys. If you're considering filing a lawsuit, choose a lawyer who specializes in your type of case. A single lawyer can't know everything there is to know about every specialty of law. That's why it's critical to hire a medical attorney who's spent much of their career focusing specifically on medical malpractice cases. That way, you'll have access to more expertise and resources, and also, you'll have a better chance of winning. Just think about it. You wouldn't see a cardiologist for a broken ankle, would you? The same goes for law. And firstly, speaking of health law, what exactly is medical malpractice? What exactly is medical malpractice? Medical malpractice is when a healthcare professional fails to provide a reasonable standard of care to a patient, causing harm or injury. It happens when one of the hospital's staff deviates from the standard of care and is negligent. That may be a misdiagnosis, a surgical error, a medication mistake, a failure to treat. The list goes on. A medical attorney is skilled in legality like any lawyer, but also in the medical field. They know the difference between normal and negligent procedures. They understand the standard of care for the nurses and doctors treating you, the processes and intricacies of a medical malpractice lawsuit, and much more. Let's hone in on the details. Follow along for more information. How can a medical malpractice lawyer help me? A medical injury may happen due to hospital error or malpractice. Willie King went in for surgery to amputate his leg, but the surgeon removed the wrong leg. Talk about a surgical error. This case got a lot of attention for obvious reasons. The medical lawyer who took on the case had a fairly easy job, but not all cases are that clear-cut. So let's talk about that. How can your lawyer help you with your medical malpractice case?